Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp for project dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with ClickUp for your project dashboards, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the ClickUp website by typing clickup.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with several sign-up options. Choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. If using email, enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After entering your details, click the Get Started button. Next, ClickUp will prompt you to complete your profile. Fill in your name and choose a suitable workspace name. You may also select an icon to represent your workspace. Once you complete your profile information, proceed by clicking Next. ClickUp will then ask about your team size and your role. Select the options that best describe your situation. Afterward, you will be taken to a welcome tutorial. You can skip this tutorial or proceed to familiarize yourself with ClickUp's interface. To start creating a project dashboard, locate the left sidebar. Click on Dashboards in the sidebar menu. Then, hit the plus New Dashboard button. Enter a name for your new dashboard. You can also choose to add widgets based on your project needs. Customize your dashboard by selecting the relevant data and visualizations. Once you are satisfied, click Save to finalize your dashboard. Now, your ClickUp dashboard is ready to use. Explore additional features to enhance your project management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.